I mean, they don't have the mandate to engage these people. That it is only the federal government that can give them the mandate to engage these people. So my people should be killed. My people should die all before government will talk about this. What is the meaning of this?
Today is Monday, the 26th day of May 2025. Good evening. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is another day to remind you and to make you understand the reason why I always maintain that Nigeria is not sustainable, that Nigeria will never work. Now, take a listen. There is something that happened in Benue State. Yes, killings has been happening, but this one that happened yesterday is a different one entirely. Why is it different? 20 persons were killed in a village. Then close by village again, 5 people were killed, including a 2-year-old child. And where these people were killed is behind the army barrack, the military barrack. Behind the military barrack, Fulani terrorists killed almost 25 persons in Benue State, behind the military barrack. Now, the local government chairman now stood up with anger and confronted the military. What is wrong? What is going on? Why is it that this thing happened behind your military barrack and you people are not reacting? And the military told him, and I quote, you watch the video. He said, we don't have mandates to kill these Fulani terrorists. Yeah, that is what the military said. They don't have the mandate to fight the Fulani terrorists. The chief of army staff told you in Kogi State last 2 months that there is an underlying issue why they can't fight insecurity. Now, I want to put forward this question before you watch this video. Do you think it is Tinubu that told the army not to fight Fulani terrorists? Believe me, I will tell you that it is not Tinubu. I think I will exonerate Tinubu from this. And this is the reason why I'm telling you people that even though an angel now becomes the Nigerian president, he can't do nothing. There is a system error. There is a system that can't work. And here, the local government chairman threatening to resign that he can't continue seeing all these things. Take a listen.
I mean, they don't have the mandate to engage these people. That it is only the federal government that can give them the mandate to engage these people. So my people should be killed. My people should die all before government will talk about this. What is the meaning of this? Yesterday I buried 5 people, a father and 2 of his sons of over 40, 50 years in Terrørists, very close to a military base. What is the meaning of this? If they cannot help me, maybe I'll leave this position as chairman and let it continue the way it is. I don't care about being a chairman of the local government of the people that are all killed. What is the meaning of this? Look at a child of 2 years old, butchered with cutlass. How many people? We're talking of no less than 20 people that were killed in Aondana village. This is the village of the former first lady of this state, Mrs. Eunice Oton. This is the village of the Togwe. This is the village of the Bishop Banagbe. This is fucking too much for me to condone. And I tell you, whatever will happen, will happen. Thank you.
All right, that was the local government chairman. And I am going to expose more things for you during this video. So stay tuned to the end. But before that, I want you to think. Just think now. I want you to think. Sit down and think. Open your minds to think. Be a free person to think. Don't be rigid. Be flexible so that you will understand. Weigh these options. That behind the military barrack, the Fulani terrorists killed people. And this is not the first time, second time, third time. This is something that is consistent. The local government chairman, you see, when they are killing your people, no matter how politically correct you are, the pain will be there. They will touch your family. And this local government chairman now went to the army. Come on, what is going on? The army told him, we don't have mandates. No mandate. On your mandate, we shall stand. Where the mandate? The mandate don't disappear. No mandate to fight terrorists. But they are flexing muscles in the southeast because of Biafra agitators. And even in the southeast, every angle they are politically sponsored thugs are still operating. I see, the reason why I bring all these things to you people is because I want you to know the country you are. Yesterday, I made a video talking about all this coalition. They say, hey, we want to bring a good person in Nassau Rock so that Nigeria will... I laugh, I fold my head and I'm laughing, people. I was telling you people in 2014, 2015, how the military disobey a president, commander-in-chief. They refuse to take order from him to fight in Boko Haram. We know what is going on in Nigeria. See, this local government chairman now, if they confront him today to provide the military men in the barrack or to arrest the whole soldiers in the barrack who said that they don't have the mandate to fight the Fulani terrorists, would they say that the mandate came from Tinubu? But they said the mandate did not come from federal government, so they don't have mandate to fight them. So the federal government is directly sponsoring this insecurity. But is it Tinubu? No. You people don't know a place you call Nigeria. And the reason why I keep on saying this, because this is holistic. They are everywhere now. They have not received mandate to start in Isoko Delta State. That does not mean they are not there. They have not received mandate to start fighting in your village. That does not mean they are not there. Wait very soon and see what is going to happen. This is a very dangerous trend in Nigeria, and everybody is just feeling that Nigeria is what we work again. What sort of rubbish I don't want to use derogatory word, but what kind of nonsense people we have in Nigeria? How many times will something happen before you win there? Everybody is just talking about 2027. Let's see, political regime change can never be the hope of Nigeria's system. There is a very great agenda. Okay, continue to do what you are doing. Let your people be dying. Look at the local government chairman crying. And someone who don't even know his left from his right will come out to tell you, forget about it. If everybody start agitating, things will not... This is the reason why I love Chinese and all these people who are progressing. They were not born to place where they are now. They suffer for next generation. But we are not ready to do anything for our children. What we are suffering today, our fathers refuse to take the risk. And this is where we are. Nobody wants to die. According to Cosmos Madoka, in his interview that I watched yesterday, he said, we are afraid to die. If 5,000 people die now in a revolution that will happen, that our future generation will continue to enjoy it. But if the 5,000 people, everybody say, I will not die, I will not die, I will not die, more people will die indirectly. And that is what is going on. Now, the article reads that at least 20 killed, including 2-year-old child in community of ex-Benue First Lady Eunice Otom, the council chairman, laments. The article reads that more than 20 people, including a 2-year-old child, have been killed in a fresh attack in the Aondana community, Gwere West local government area of Benue State. The chairman of the council, Honorable Omi Torsar Victor, confirmed the killings in an emotional video expressing frustration over the continued bloodshed and the federal government's silence. He stated that the killing took place in several villages, including Tewa, Biana, which is situated close to a military base. Despite this proximity, he lamented that no intervention came from security forces. The chairman accused the federal government of failing to give local authorities the necessary mandate to defend their people against the attackers. They don't have the mandate to engage these people. That it is only the federal government that can give them the mandate to engage these people. So my people should be killed. My people should die. Or all before the government will talk about this. What is the meaning of this? He asked. You all watched the video when he was saying this. Now, he recounted the most recent attack where entire families were wiped out. And this is what he said. You listen to him. He said, yesterday I buried 5 people, a father and 2 of his sons of over 40 years in Tewa Biana, very close to a military base. What is the meaning of this? If they cannot help me, maybe I will leave the position as a chairman and let it continue the way it is. He said, this is a council chairman crying. If we are trying to tell you people what is going on, you people don't understand. The visibly distraught chairman said the weight of the crisis was becoming unbearable to him. There is no, even though you are a devil, this will touch you. It will touch you. You will feel the pain. And he said, you listen to to him when he said, I don't care about being a chairman of the local government of the people that are all killed. What is the meaning of this? Look at a child of 2 years old butchered with, contrast, he said. Anyway, even me reading this, I'm emotional already, but we have to put emotion out of this and face the reality. He added that the scale of the killings in the area is alarming and has claimed life in historically significant villages. How many people? We are talking of none less than 20 people that were killed in Audana village, he said. This is the village of the former First Lady, That continues, let me drop it here. I am not happy presenting all these things. Just in 3 days, last 4 days, last 3 days, last 2 days, and yesterday. Okay, last 3 days, last 2 days, and yesterday. These 3 days, we have recorded very close to 200, left with 18. 180, no, left with 12, 182. 12 to 200 now. That is the one we are counting, not the one we have not counted. Day before yesterday, about 42 people were killed once while they were sleeping. What sort of nonsense is this? What kind of country is this now? And someone will come out to tell me that political regime change will solve this. You saw what happened to Jonathan. You saw what Buhari did. This is Tinubu now. So is Tinubu responsible for all these things? No, I am the one telling you no, not Tinubu. It is not Tinubu. If it is Tinubu, I will tell you it is Tinubu, not him. He is the president. Yes, he is the president. Who told you that a president can change this country? Who told you? He is the president. Yes. Commander-in-chief. Yes. Who told you that he is in charge? No, I don't know what thing they happen. He go reach everybody turn. Our eyes will soon open. That order that they are telling you that have not received order to do something. People in the bush will soon receive orders. And when they come to kill you, these people will not respond. And they will tell you they did not receive order to do that. May the souls of people who died rest in peace. I am Ogochapi myself, talking reality out of issues. Let me know what you think about this. And don't be biased and don't play politics with human life. Because every soul living today will surely die, including me and you watching this. So why would you play politics or sentiment with the death toll that is going on in Nigeria? Nigeria is the only country where almost 500 above persons are dying every month. And no one is talking about it. Only country in the world where 500 above people are dying. Not in Gaza, not in Ukraine, not in Israel, not in Russia. It's not happening in Yemen. It's not happening in Afghanistan. It's not happening in anywhere. Anyway, it is what it is. See you on my next video.
Is that we should not make this another talk show. And that's why this is my intervention. That security starts from you. There's nothing that is new. 1870 something, I can't remember. The French Revolution in the street of Paris, they were beheading people. We've had hijack of plane. We'll forget quickly. We've had the wet ear syndrome. We had so many. There's no Matasini and whatever. There will always be security problems. So when I hear people say this is security in Nigeria, as long as human beings exist, there will be security problems. The issue is the response. We have to take that mentality away. What is the security agencies doing? Who, apart from a tree, knows that they want to come and cut him and remain standing? Only a tree. We have to get the communities to rise and defend themselves first. And the time to start it is now. When you move out from here, I do that every day. I come from a village in Ijebu land, Ogun State, and I talk to my people. I know the level of armament they are entitled to. I know how they organize themselves in quarters. We have 4 quarters. I am using my expertise to guide them. You cannot wait for the military to come and do everything.